Samsung hides the power button well. There are 4 locations depending on your model year. Look for the red standby LED. The physical button always sits right beside it. On 2020 and newer QLED and Neo QLED sets, it's a joystick on the back right panel. No remote? Press once for power. Press again for volume, channel, and source. Or use SmartThings. The free Samsung app turns your phone into a full remote over Wi-Fi. Never hunt for it again. Full guide on SmartTVs.org.